Okay, here we go. Okay. Hey, everybody, this is Matt with the Low Cash Homestead, and thank you, buddy. I wanted to show you something I'm kind of excited about. So, a couple weeks ago, I sent some lights back to Maglite. They were broken. I sent them back, and they just arrived like 20 minutes ago. So, we're going to cut them open. And we're going to find out how well Maglite did. I'm going to use this fiber tape too. It's good stuff. Okay, so here's one of the ones I sent back. There it is. Okay, let's take this off. And get rid of that. It has my address and stuff on it. I don't want you guys to see that. Okay, so this is one of the ones that came back. This one, as you can see, has quite a bit of wear and tear. This is a 4D cell model, uses an incandescent bulb.
Here, Daddy.
We'll get batteries in just a second, okay? Now, one of the things was the switch was broke. Couldn't find a right bulb for it. And so when I sent this in, they called me and said, hey, we can fix that light. But we'll get into that here in just a second. I'll explain that here in a minute. Let's open this one. This one is an LED light. Ooh, that's rolling away. This one is one of Mag's LED lights. Oh,
my face is
cover that up.
My face is blue.
You don't see my address. Get rid of that. And then we'll get rid of that.
You have two on this end?
This one's got something bouncing around in there. What is that? Let's see.
It's a battery.
It's a spring.
It's a spring.
And an extra bulb. And that bulb is
Yours? Oh.
an incandescent bulb. I'm not sure why they would send me an incandescent bulb on that, but let's
Daddy, let's put the batteries in.
talk about a couple of things. Okay, so this one, I'll put the batteries in just a minute.
Daddy, I'm just telling you to do this. I'm doing this, Daddy.
This one, I'm going to cover up my local number, but this one was given to me by the Carpenters Union. This was a gift at one of our parties. This was a first generation, according to... Hey guys, hey guys, can you chill out? Remember the rules? Okay. So this one was a first generation LED light. That's a big light too. Hey buddy, remember? Okay. So I cover up my local, but this was a first generation LED. I got this in like oh my god, I don't remember 2000. Okay, guys, hey, 2010 maybe. I don't exactly remember, but so I sent these lights in for repair. This one had a problem with the switch and the bulb, even with the switch. Once you got where you could get that switch to set, that light would flicker. And so I sent these back in, and Maglite called and said, hey, on that first generation Maglite, they said, you know, we can upgrade that for you. You know, we can offer you an upgrade. We can fix this one, or we can offer you an upgrade. And can I have the blue one now too, buddy? And with this one, they said, hey, you know, we don't make a 4D LED, but if you want, we can upgrade this light to a 3D LED, and we'll do both of that at like a discount of like $65. I said, nah, it's okay, just go ahead and fix them. So what we're going to do is, hey, can you put that down, please? Thank you, because you guys aren't following the rules very well.
It's a big book.
Yeah, remember there's rules. You can't show yourself on the camera when Daddy's talking. Okay? You can play with the box, that's fine. So what we're going to do is, we're going to put some batteries in them and see how they do. So we're going to start with the 4D. I would love to tell you that these are.
Here.
Thank you. I would love to tell you that these are brand new fresh batteries. They are not.
Some in, Daddy? Can I
But we're gonna go ahead. Oh, okay. That's
I
one.
put
Put that one
batteries
in.
this one, Daddy.
Nope. This way. Goes that way.
Can I put batteries?
Next, but we're gonna do this one first. Drop it in. This way. Boom. That way. Good. And then our spring. Seats down into the cap there. Like that. It's like pretty much all Maglites do once you get
Then
it.
I can put my in here, my arm.
Well, I know you can, but I want to be able to show everybody.
I know how to.
Get that compressed down in there. There we go.
Can I put it? I know how to.
Ooh, it's coming on already. Yep, let me turn that off. These 4Ds, it's got new springs and everything on the inside, so it's making it nice and tight. You can see they didn't change the tube or anything like that, and change the bezels.
Now turn
It looks like they did put a new lens in and a new bulb. So these are not brand new batteries. I am out of these other than what I had in some emergency lanterns, so I took these out of some emergency lanterns. This Maglite, the main thing that I see about this particular Maglite is that if you go into weapon mode with this Maglite, you still have that incandescent bulb in there. And it looks like they sent me another replacement bulb, but this light cannot handle an LED. According to Maglite, it's just not designed for it, and it's just not going to work. So, according to them, you should not try to put the LED upgrade bulb in the 4D. So this one works good. All the switching is working good. Hopefully you can see that the light's coming on. And man, with batteries, it still retains that, Club U kind of secondary usage. What do they call that? When something can have more than one use. But we all know that Maglites can slide our way and protect our noggins if we needed them to. Okay, so that's the old. Now my wife gave me this Maglite 15 years or so ago, and you can see, like I said, you can see it's been through its paces. Okay, let's have the other light, guys. Well, let's bring it here. You open it. Yeah, good. Let's stack the batteries. Now for this one, I'm using some Amazon Basics. That I had laying around. Those were Duracells. These are Amazon Basics. My opinion, the Amazon Basic is a decent battery, but it is not a Duracell. It's better than a Rayovac, not as good as a Duracell. And I'm just not really much of an Energizer kind of guy.
Can I put one in?
No. Brother's going to do it this time.
Baby.
Xavier, come on. You going to help me with batteries?
Okay.
Trade places with John, so he can help with batteries this time.
Daddy, what?
Okay. I'll tell you which way. They go. See this pointy part? That goes down. Put the pointy part down. Boom. Put the pointy part down. Boom. Oh, it only takes two. It only takes two. Now, same as always, you got to get that spring.
Who's going to put these in?
Nobody, because it only takes two batteries.
Because all them
And then,
can't fit.
yeah, nice stiff springs. That's awesome. That really makes the lid tighten down, or the cap, the back of the flashlight really tighten down well. Okay, so let's see what this one looks like. Well, look at that. This flashlight never really did quite work right, and they said it was they said it was a problem in the Gen 1s with this light, and I wanted to make sure that. Hey guys, are you done yet?
No.
Well, you should be, because Daddy's still talking. You can hold it.
Can I hold that one?
You can hold it when I'm done. This you cannot hold. That is the ball. That goes with Daddy. So, what they explained to me is that the flickering problem and the switch was a problem that they had in these Gen 1s. But I wanted to make sure I got this one back because this one was a gift from my union, and it's also a very solid light. Not as heavy on the self-defense factor as the blue one, although I believe this could probably take a little bit. And here's another thing too. Yeah, let's show them the light colors. So this one is a nice bright white. whereas the blue incandescent has that kind of yellow light. So I've actually been anticipating these. They called me a couple weeks ago and said that they would be sending them out, and then when UPS rang the doorbell there, when UPS excuse me, I'm suffering a cold. When UPS rang the buzzer there, and I saw what it was, I was pretty excited because I haven't had these in service for quite some time. All right, just wanted to show them to you. So, do I have to tell you Maglites are great? No, you already knew that. But I will say that Maglites warranty department is pretty good. They fixed everything they could fix, and when they got to a point where they couldn't, were uncertain about fixing it, they called and offered me upgrades to newer products at reduced cost. I didn't take those upgrades, but I didn't want to give up. Take that out of your eye, girl. I didn't want to give up that blue light that was given to me by my wife many, many years ago. So we just had it repaired. This is Matt with a Low Cash Homestead. Thank you very much. You enjoy your day today.